Good morning, children. Today we have social class, that is lesson the polar regions. Already we studied about some of the points in the polar regions, like where is the polar region, where it was located, and seasons in the tundra regions, like winter season and summer season. Look, children, already we got information about seasons in tundra region. Which seasons are there? Like mainly two seasons are there: winter season and summer season. What conditions are there in the seasons? So this kind of information we studied. Now we have study about the vegetation, vegetation of the tundra region. Look, children, here given vegetation. Here given permafrost mean due to the cold, the upper soil surface of the region is frozen into a rock like state through the year. Mean permafrost means in the seasons this region completely covered with ice. It's look like a rock like state through the year. In these conditions we call as a permafrost. Already I was given about the conditions and climatical conditions in the tundra region. What type of climatical conditions are there? In winter season, this area is completely covered with fog, and what are the landform? It was covered with ice. It looked like a strong, like rock. So there is no sources to grow the plants, any plants and trees. Already here given, only some of the small plants can grow here. It is not possible, but it is very some of the little much sources are there to grow the small plants. Plants like already here given, yes, this kind of plants grow here. Small plants, not big trees. Given on picture, page number 41. You can see and get the information. Look, children, there is no sources to grow any plants. Purpose of upper soil surface of the region is frozen into a rock like state all through the year. This is called permafrost. As there is little soil, only some small plants can grow. The underground soil being hard, it is difficult for trees to grow. Next one, we have studied about the people. People in the tundra region. Eskimos. Eskimos are the people that are living in the tundra region, especially the Arctic region. The Arctic is a region of vast and treeless plains. It is fulfilled with a plain area. There is no trees because of it is not conditions, favor conditions to grow the plants and trees. So it is the home of the Eskimos. They live in the scattered settlements in Greenland, Canada, Alaska, and Siberia. In these areas, we have see the uh, some kind of people are there, like the Eskimos. They lived by hunting and fishing. Hunting and fishing are common habitual things are there for the Eskimos. Look, children, these are Eskimos. These people we call as Eskimos. They cover their body with wool or skin of seal. They look like this here given picture. They called as a Eskimos. Look, children, it is a world map. Eskimos are living in Greenland. This is Greenland and Canada. This is Canada and Siberia. This place, this is Western Siberia. This is Eastern Siberia. Siberia and Greenland, Canada, and Alaska. This is Alaska. We have see the Eskimos in these regions: Alaska, Canada, Greenland, and Siberian. Look, children, mean of Eskimo. Eskimo mean snowshoe netter. Snowshoe netter. That is mean of the Eskimo. They are divided as a two kinds of people are there. Two kinds of group people they are living in the already I told you Greenland, Canada, Alaska, and Siberia. So these groups like Inuit and Yupik. Inuit and Yupik, this kind of people they're living in the Greenland, Canada, Alaska, and Siberia. So mean of the Inuit and Yupik mean the people are the originates. Originates means original people. And children, already I showed location of the Siberia. Siberia, it is exactly the part of the Russia, completely northern Asia. Location of the Siberia, completely northern Asia. Look, children, those who people called as a Eskimos. First of all, they are originate here. This is a Siberia, Eastern Siberia and Western Siberia, and then they are went to and these places Greenland and Canada and Alaska. First of all, they originated Siberia. They are a very ancient people. Those who people, like the forefathers of the Eskimos, they are lived here. Originates of the forefathers of the Eskimos. Origination, birthplace, that is a Siberia.